Hello, good morning everyone. How you all are doing? This is Preeti Chauhan. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is gonna be the second or third video of my channel if I'm not wrong. As far back as thumbnail and captions are suggested already. What this video will be all about. Let's deep dive into the content without doing any further ado. I'll not tell you here why and in how many ways, in how many means reading will be beneficial for you. However, I'll definitely wanted to let you know that if you're not reading, you are missing a big satisfying feeling of your life. Like if you're not reading, you are missing the experience of lost in books, lost in fiction, lost in stories kind of thing. You're completely missing it. I'm not telling that if 30% of people who reads daily or the 60% of people who reads once in a week among the whole population of world doing it, you also have to do it. No. I'm the person who consider reading as an art, and compulsion for such things, not good, right? But give it a try, give yourself a try to know yourself better. What if you like it? What if you find another joy of your life? Isn't it? So give yourself a try who is completely unaware about the fact, the totally different part of yourself, because that's the life only. Explore yourself in this area too. Now we'll not talk about basics. Let's learn how to uplift your reading game. I have jotted down few points which will help you in your reading journey, you can say. First is read every day 2 pages. Read every day 2 pages, either before going to bed or after waking up in the AM. And let me tell you, reading 2 pages costs you 2 minutes of your that 24 hours. So read at least 2 pages every day to keep it consistent, to keep your consistency at high. Next is purchase favorites of all the times. Let me tell you, purchase the most selling book the Bookstagram is talking all over about. Purchase that book and start with that, because if you are novice or you are just new to reading, you will not be able to pick a single book if you don't know about your genre. I've started my reading game with It Ends With Us, and it took me almost 4 months to finish it. So yeah, purchase favorites of your all time. Next point is experience and discover your genre. With the time, you'll get to know what's your genre. By reading one by one, you'll get to know what you are liking to read, like what you like to read and what you dislike to read. What's the part of that book that excites you, that making you curious about doing it further, and what's making reading part very boring. You'll get that part. So yeah, keep doing it and explore your genre. Next is begin with short reading sessions or stories. Yeah, this will the most helpful thing, I'll let you know. Don't start with 500, 600, 400 pages book. No, don't start with these all. Start with the short stories. Short stories like I have a book with Tales from Shakespeare. Start, which consists of the short stories. You have to start that small story books to keep you consistent, and with the time increase the number of pages. Yeah, you can also start with the poetry books. That will also a good genre to start with. You can also start with the poetry books thing. I have The Strength in Your Scars. You can start with that also. So these all things, begin with short reading sessions or short reading stories. Next is set realistic goal. Start small. Yes, as I've mentioned already, start with 2 pages per day only. Not set an unrealistic goal as I'll read 30 pages today, I'll read 100 pages in a week for sure. No, you don't have to set these unrealistic goals for you. Just keep it consistent by taking small steps every day. That's it. You can increase it day by day. With this sense, you'll also able to track your growth and enjoy the process, I'll say. Next is try to make it your habit, not hobby. That's the big thing. You have to take this in your mind. Try to make it your habit first, not hobby. Until it's not your habit, it will not become your hobby. So try to focus on habit thing first. It will definitely convert in your hobby. Because I have a rule in life, I want to share with you. Fake it until you make it. If you don't like reading, fake that you like reading it. And keep it consistent. Do it every day and see the changes. You'll love the changes, I'm sure. Let it first become your habit. It will definitely gonna turn into your hobby. So don't worry about the hobby part. Just take care about the habit part. Don't miss a single day reading. Just keep yourself consistent with the reading. Just be curious about reading and enjoy the reading part. With that purpose only, you'll gonna love it for sure. You're gonna love it for sure, I'm telling you. Next point is keep a TBR list. TBR list is basically to be read list. I don't know how many people are aware about it, but making to-do list will get you done with your things for sure. That's the kind of trick you can say. So keep a TBR list ready, so you'll get to know what you have to read next. In that sense, you'll get to know what's your genre also. Because I have a TBR list in which I have listed, I had listed down a lot of book names and I haven't bought it yet. So that's the sign and that's not my genre. That's why I haven't purchased it. I have given the priority to the another books that I wanted to read. So in that manner, you'll get to know about your genre also. So don't worry about these all things. Just keep reading and make sure you're making that TBR list. Next is don't think much, just do whatever you want. I know, very practical one. If you're reading a particular book and you don't like it, just keep it aside. That's it. Don't think much that if person A liked it, if person B liked it, why am I not liking it? No. Person A and B liked it completely and given 5 stars, that's their choice. That's their point of view to the book. That will be based on their thinking, not your. They must have taken the book in different ways. That's why they liked it. And you have taken it in different way. That's why you didn't like it. That's completely perfect. You don't have to take these all things in your mind. If you are reading it, do it for yourself, not for anyone else, not for the person A, not for the person B. Do it for yourself. If you are not liking it, just keep it aside. That's it. It's as simple as that. Next is read in the morning or night. I've covered, I think, yeah. What I've written, read in the morning or night. After that, read everywhere. Next is think what if you find another reason of your joy. There are a lot of things that's happening in life that make us stressed and we feel we have to escape from this world. And this book is the help for you to escaping from these all things, but in a healthy way. So do it, and I'm pretty much sure you will definitely love it. It might happen that you'll not like a particular genre. It can be a rom-com, thriller, literature, anything, but you will definitely love the reading part. It can be anything. Like in any genre, you will definitely love the reading thing. Next or last is online reading, use of ebooks. Okay, let me tell you, I'm not the person who reads online or through PDF or something like that. But if you are starting, you have to give yourself a time or give yourself a choice of reading through PDFs and ebooks. I have a particular website through which you can download any of the book, like any book, any of the novel, any of the book, PDF free. So just let me know if you want to know the name of that website. I'll definitely tell you, because I have read 2 to 3 online books in the form of PDF as well from that website, and I have downloaded my Kathak classes book also from that website. Just let me know if you want that website. I'll definitely give you the name of that. Start with online reading, use ebooks as well, because it saves your time, saves your money, you can say. Is good in every ways, you can say, but as the old school person, I love taking that book in my hand and read it. So yeah, that's the kind of thing. I think that we have covered all the points to uplift your reading game and making the reading thing in your habit. So that's it for today's video, I'll say. I'm hoping that you'll convert that 0% into 30% and that 30% into 60% by start reading, or with the help of these hacks, or by any means, but start reading. Please start reading, otherwise you'll be missing that joy. So give yourself a chance to explore these all opportunities also. Meet you soon with another video. Till then, take care. Namaste. Bye bye.